Today is Wednesday, June 4th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. We do have a cold front that's moving through the middle part of the country, so that means a line of some showers and storms stretching from Michigan all the way down to North Texas. It doesn't look like there's going to be a lot of severe weather, but I can't rule out a couple of those thunderstorms getting a little bit stronger, packing quite a punch, maybe even some damaging winds. But we'll keep an eye on that. I don't think there's going to be a lot of that activity, though, for today. So there's that line of thunderstorms from Michigan all the way down to the Dallas-Fort Worth area. It is the leading edge of some slightly cooler air, but that's really not going to do much for the temperatures over the next couple of days. Maybe knock them down a couple of degrees, but I think we're still going to see, generally speaking, warmer weather than what we've been seeing lately. I want to point one other thing out: some heavier rain showers in the southeast. Not raining everywhere, but those showers and storms that are developing in the southeast are really producing a lot of rain in a short period of time. We had flooding yesterday in Florida. There could be a little bit of that around this morning. So a scattered shower or thunderstorm for Grand Rapids, Detroit, over to Chicago. That'll come your way later on tonight for you in Cleveland. Out ahead of that front, you're in the upper 80s. Behind the front, you're more like upper 70s. So yeah, it is cooler, but it's nothing dramatic and certainly not cold. 90 today in Cincinnati, just about that in Louisville, just above 90 in Nashville, 89 in Memphis, and you're in the line of those showers and storms there in St. Louis. Keep in mind, all of that's going to push south and east, so we'll likely see a round of some scattered showers later on tonight and into tomorrow for the Ohio Valley. 70s for you tomorrow and Friday, and probably right through the weekend, but that's not bad at all. A lot better than what we've seen since early this spring season. Looks like we'll hold on to those 70s into early next week. Same deal for Chicago. A little bit cooler with the scattered showers and storms coming through later on today, but I think for the 7-day forecast, we're going to be generally in the 70s. Falling temperatures today, so tough to pinpoint a high for you in Chicago. We got scattered showers, just a couple of them here along the southeast coast. The rain's a bit heavier, though, south of Charleston through Savannah, southern Georgia, and down into Florida. We got Tampa all the way down to Miami dealing with some heavier downpours. And then that tail end of the front is where we have some storms for you there in Dallas with a high of 83 degrees. So that's a tour around the country. Let's talk a little bit more about the temperature trend here in Charlotte. A little bit cooler tomorrow with some showers, but I think we're going to be very warm here into the weekend. Highs in the upper 80s to around 90. Finally, in Fort Lauderdale, we got some rain and some of that heavy at times lingering this morning. Be careful and not drive through flooded roadways. You can get your car stuck there pretty easily. Then someone's got to come rescue you. 85 for a high with some scattered thunderstorms. Overall, the activity starts to limit itself and fall apart here as we head into the evening. Once we get rid of the showers and storms, and I still think there will be a few of them tomorrow and maybe even Friday, it does look like without the storms, we're going to peak in the upper 80s to around 90. All right, that is your Wednesday morning weather update. I hope everyone has a terrific day and a terrific rest of your week. Remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.